All right, so for this one, we've got the equation y equals negative x plus 2, and you're on the right track. So you used -1, +1, and 2. So you're just going to take these and substitute them in for this negative x. And remember, each of these numbers is the x. The negative is kind of extra. So let's try this. We've got y equals -1. That's the x plus 2. So we're just going to calculate this. When you have two negatives in a row, it turns into a positive. So this is technically y equals 1 plus 2. So when x is -1, y is 1 plus 2, or 3. Then for the next one, y equals negative, because that's part of the equation. Then we're going to put the +1 in for x plus 2, and then we're going to calculate that. -1 plus 2 is +1. So when x is 1 for this equation, y is also 1. And don't look for a pattern between these two right now. You can see the pattern up and down, and if you do enough of these, you'll see the pattern on y as well. So let's do the 2. We've got y equals negative, part of the original equation, 2 plus 2. And -2 plus 2 is 0. So when x, for this equation, when x is 2, y is 0. And let's just do one more. Let's try a 4. So y equals negative, part of the equation. Bring in your x, it's 4 plus 2. When we have -4 plus 2, our answer is going to be -2. So when x is 4 for this equation, our y is going to be -2. So let me try the other one that you sent over. And let me know if that doesn't make sense. But all you're doing is you are creating your x. Leave for this particular one, because it's a negative x, leave the negative there. Use whatever numbers you chose here. Just like in this one, the first one was -1, so it ends up being -1. And then you just calculate it out and you get your y's and fill out your function box. Let's try this one. Okay, this one is, I think you're on the right track again. Y equals x divided by 2 plus 5. So use numbers. Oh, you did, see? 2, 4, 6, 8. You're on the right track. I think you probably did this just about right. So we're going to start with 2 for x. So that means we have got y equals 2 over 2 plus 5. Now 2 divided by 2 is 1 plus 5. See, you got it right. Good job. Then we've got 4. So we're going to plug 4 in. We've got y equals 4 over 2 plus 5. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 plus 5. That's going to be 7. So when x, for this particular equation, when x is 4, y is 7. Because 4 divided by 2 is 2 plus 5, 7. And then let's go to 6. We've got y equals 6 divided by 2 plus 5. 6 divided by 2 is 3 plus 5. Oh, see, you got that one right. Nicely done. And then we'll do 8. So y equals 8 divided by 2 plus 5. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Plus 5 is 9. You got that one correct as well. Good job on these. So you're getting them. I think this one just got away from you, but clearly you understand the concept because you got 3 of these correct. I think this one was just the one that threw you off. So great job.